Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the manifold assembly in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Open the oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the control panel's lower cover. Remove the cover. Pull off the 5 control knobs. Next, unthread the 2 screws securing the control panel to the frame. Detach the control panel. Then disconnect the DisplayBoard wire connector and the touchpad ribbon connector to fully release the panel. Use a 1/2-inch wrench to unthread the nuts to release the gas supply tubes from the burner valves. You'll need to use a 9/16" wrench to unthread the nuts securing the main gas supply tube to the left front burner valve. Now use an adjustable wrench to help unthread the nuts securing the main gas supply line to the manifold. Unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the manifold to the front brackets. Disconnect the spark switch wire harness connector, and you can fully remove the old manifold assembly. Prepare the new manifold assembly for installation by transferring the gaskets from the old burner valves to the new ones. Now connect the spark switch wire harness connector. Then position the manifold on the front brackets so the valves align with the gas supply tubes. Secure the manifold with the mounting screws. Connect the main gas supply line to the manifold and thread the nut to secure. Be careful not to damage the line by over-tightening the nut. Connect the rest of the gas supply tubes to the appropriate valves. Again, avoid over-tightening the nuts. Reinstall the control panel by first connecting the wire connector to the display board and the ribbon connector to the touchpad. Realign the control panel on the front brackets. Secure it with the screws. Replace the lower cover. Then thread the screws to secure. Realign the control knobs on the valve stems and push them into place. Note that the power burner control knob should be placed on the second stem from the left. Turn the gas supply back on, and plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply. It's a good idea to make sure the flame height for each burner is properly adjusted after installing a new manifold assembly. You can do this by setting the burner too low, then remove the control knob and secure the burner valve stem with a pair of pliers. Using a 1/8 inch non-flared flathead screwdriver, rotate the adjustment screw inside the stem clockwise to decrease the flame height, and counterclockwise to increase the height of the flame. With the flames properly adjusted, the gas range should be ready for use.